Let us learn today the development of product and idea. Before we go ahead and learn how to develop a product and idea, let me quickly revise how we reached in this particular concept. Before developing product or idea, in reality, it's very important that you generate an idea. If you remember, while studying this concept, how to generate an idea, we have learned brainstorming, we have learned reverse brainstorming, we have learned nominal technique, we have learned Gordon model, we have learned brain writing, we have learned about consultation. What exactly it is? These are the various ways wherein we can generate ideas. Because in order to develop your ideas, means in order to bring your ideas into reality, the first thing that you need to have is an idea. Once you have an idea, once you know what you need to do, the next step is to understand how to develop this idea. What is development of product or idea? Development of product or idea or services is nothing but creating your imagination into reality. There are several steps, but we would be focusing the first 8 steps which are there in order to develop a product and idea. Let us focus on the first step.
Idea generation.
Idea generation. The first step before we develop an idea is to generate an idea. How to generate an idea? By brainstorming. What is brainstorming? Gathering people, talking about a particular aspect and trying to generate an idea, create an idea. Or else reverse brainstorming, wherein we are talking about an idea, we are also criticizing the idea. Or else Delphi technique, wherein people from different countries coming together with the help of video conferencing and trying to say what are the various possibilities that we can approach or we can actually grab in the global market. So etc. Because there are at least 8 to 9 different types of idea generation techniques which we can adopt. So that is the first to generate idea. The next step,
Analyzing the idea.
now it's time to analyze the idea. I mean to say that how many ideas would be physical? Would be feasible. Feasible means practically possible. Not all ideas which are abstract can be converted into reality. So it's time to analyze the idea. Do a cost benefit analysis. Whether it would be beneficial to invest, whether it would be beneficial to opt for that particular idea, whether it would be beneficial if we go ahead with that idea, will it be helpful in the long run? Next step, third step.
Listing of ideas.
After analyzing all the ideas that has been discussed, now it's time to shortlist the idea. If you forget to shortlist the idea, then you will not come to know which idea can be opted first and which idea can be opted later. Because not all ideas are fruitful, not all ideas have equal benefits. And then after shortlisting the ideas, after ranking the ideas, the next step would be
Investigation.
then you need to investigate that whatever we have found on papers, is it there in reality? Is the information that we have gathered in order to shortlist the idea, in order to rank those ideas, is it right? Because your investigation will help you to understand and will help to create a link between your theory and your practicals. Next step.
Selection of best idea.
Then you select the best idea based upon the resources that you have, based upon the strengths that you have, based upon the weaknesses that you may have,
Product development.
and then ultimately you develop the product. Means when we talk about development of product, it doesn't mean directly developing the product. It means we talk about generating an idea. Then we talk about analyzing the idea. Then we talk about shortlisting those ideas. Then we talk about the cost benefit analysis. Then we are talking about selecting the best idea. And when we feel like this is the best idea, it's now time is to investigate whether what we are thinking as per our theoretical analysis, is it practically right? And then we produce the product. And after producing that product or developing the product, that is converting your imagination into reality, the next step would be
Test marketing.
doing a text marketing. The reason is whatever information that you have gathered, And at the end, whatever products or services that you have made, now you need to do a test marketing. Now you need to test it in reality. You have to give it to your customers and you have to check whether you are getting appropriate responses. If you are getting appropriate responses, now it's time to commercialize your idea. Sell your ideas in the large scale. However, continuously you have to periodically check, are you able to meet the target? Are you able to achieve the growth that you have thought at the beginning before developing the product? If yes, go ahead. If not, then rethink, regenerate the idea. Then analyze your idea, shortlist the idea, and then select the best idea. Then investigate your idea. Then do a test marketing, produce the idea, produce the product, and then do test marketing and then commercialize and review. These are the various steps